Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I'm going to show you guys a predecessor of a device which I really enjoyed over the course of 2 years, and I'm going to quick unbox it. And here you go. This is the device right here. This is the box first. This time around box is different. It's longer, not a boxy shape as the last time. Let's open this guy up. Here it is, Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. Yeah, so this is different than Galaxy Watch Active 2. Let's look what else it has. This time around there's no charging brick, which is a bummer actually, because with this money they're supposed to give charging brick at least, and not even a stand, only charging pad, which will require two hands operation. And I tried myself using this with the old charging stand, but no, this watch does not support the old charging stand, so that's a bummer. Now let's see how the quality. Well, I see like kind of a scratch on a band, but I would say this could be already there because it's made out of genuine leather, so I'm okay with that. I like leather. Looks a little bit old than shiny, because then it doesn't look leather. And the back is a little bit different than the old one. There's more sensors there, of course, ECG sensor, blood oxygen sensor, things like that, blood pressure also. So let's start this guy up and then see. If you just really compare quickly with the old one, is definitely it looks different. Of course, it's the overall dimension is smaller, about 1.5 millimeter, as well as the screen size is bigger. It's 1.4 inch than compared to the old one is 1.3 inch only. So it's definitely on the bigger side when it comes to screen, and overall dimension is less, so it's definitely plus. And it's much lighter, 10 gram lighter, which going to be make a lot of difference when you putting it on your wrist, because you can tell the difference right away. And by visually, of course, if you compare them closely, you can tell the difference. Build quality is also pretty same, I would say. I like the clicking noise coming out with the new watch more. It's much thinner, I would say, and the buttons are a little bit different. Maybe I prefer the old buttons because they are just bigger, so if you're using gloves it's easy to press them, but after a little bit of practice you're not going to miss the buttons from the new watch either, I would say. And as you can see, but there's one thing, that there's a gap between the band and the watch in the new Galaxy Watch 3. As you can see, you can see the skin from the gap. It's a little too much. It looks a little cheap to me compared to the old one. Old one is pretty flush, you know, the way they made the band. Comparison and unboxing, and I will catch you guys with the next video. Bye bye. Please be safe.